Hi everyone, my October 2024 paper pumpkin has arrived. It's called Nests of Christmas. I love the birds. Let's take a look. Okay, first off, I just want to say I love these birds. They're part of the Winterly Treetops bundle collection. They are right here, which is right here. I just used these at a recent card buffet. We just were making some cards. Here's one thing made with this set, and it's just a really beautiful bird set, and I really love it. And so when I saw the paper pumpkin was going to feature, this is some of the paper from the this matches some of the paper from that collection. So if you love these images, you might want to go and look at the whole suite. There's a whole bunch of products, including a designer series paper pack that features lots of these really beautiful birds. Okay, so we've got some tear tape, a shaded spruce spot, and a really nice stamp set. Now they're going to show us a better picture of the stamp set. You can't see it in here. It'll be inside there. But there's a cardinal, so I'm already excited. Some of you may know that I have these cardinals that visit my yard, and I feed them, and I have a bird camera so I can watch them. And they are kind of mean to the other little sparrows that come by, but I don't care. I got the bird feeder for the cardinals. Okay, so already loving this foil. It's like a shaded spruce foil. Oh, and look at the envelopes have pine. That is so exciting. Ooh, okay. Let's get into this. No, that didn't work. Okay, I know I'm gonna love this already. And I'm gonna hope they have refills. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, here's that stamp set I was telling you. They're gonna show us a better picture, and this is so that you can store your stamps. What you can do with these little pieces here, if you use a container, you can put them in that, or you can take some tear tape, the skinnier kind, not this one, and just run a little bit on both sides, and then slip this into your little pocket that you've made, and then perhaps you can store this in a little bin, and you can flip through them. Anyway, they show them backwards because that's how they kind of go on the, or upside down, sorry. Christmas, Merry, Happy Holidays, so you can do Merry Christmas, joyful thoughts to you this season, and then you've got that cardinal, some berries, really nice. I love that cardinal because there's not a cardinal in this, so I actually might store this inside of this. You know, like something like that, because I just really think they look great. Well, I'm gonna take it out before I forget that it's in there while I show you what's going on here. Okay, anyway, love the stamp set. So let's see what we've got here. There are 2 different cards, and you get to make 5 of each. So this one is a bigger kit than usual. Usually they make 8 cards, or 3 different ones, 3 of each, so 9. So 10 cards is actually quite a big kit. Here are dimensionals, and these are pre-cut pieces of red grosgrain ribbon. Okay, it looks like all of our envelopes are the same, but look how beautiful they are. And they do have, I don't know if you can see, but this is foiled around there with that shaded spruce foil. Lovely. Okay, so even though we have a stamp for this bird, this looks like it's a little bit smaller, they do have them already colored, and you are set to go. And then you've got these wonderful sprigs here. Super nice. Okay, so let's see how these go together. Oh, here's some labels. Also have the nice foil. This is beautiful. All right, so this is a trifold. Ooh, I like that. Which means you're gonna do this, and this pops out, so you look through. And I did see somebody suggest that you can use these as this one anyway, as a photo card. Because of this window here, you can put a family photo in here, and then have a bird in the front of your family photo, and you know, you can always save the label. See, there's a label across here. You could put that on the inside and do a family photo on here and make this a photo card. I know people like photo cards at Christmas. Anyway, so here is a fun one, and that's the trifold. That's this one, and you're going to just add the birds and things on top, and whether or not you add your family photo, and then the ribbon goes behind. So that's this one, and then the other one is also a trifold, but the window, ooh, look at this. That's so pretty. I hope that you can see that. That's foil pine needles. So this one goes like that, and it also has a window. And then you add things like the pine boughs, and the cardinal goes right here. So, and it looks like the stamping you're going to do is the labels, and then you're adding some pine sprigs. And of course you can always do more on the inside. You can add another cardinal or another bird on the inside, and some more of those pine boughs. So here is this one, and then you're going to add that. Where'd my cardinals go? I lost my birds. Here you go. You're going to add the cardinal kind of sitting right here. I just think this is really pretty. It's really a really pretty card. Lovely. Okay, this is the Nests of Winter. Now, I don't know if you know, but I buy extras. So if you missed out on this one and you think, oh man, I wish I had gotten that one, well, it looks like you don't use this at all. So I bet there's going to be some clever people that take this and put it on another card. You can actually combine these and make yourself another card, or perhaps you can do something on the inside of this. You can use these pieces. Don't throw them away. Okay, so what was I saying? I already forgot. I was saying that I always order extra paper pumpkin kits, so I have some more in case you didn't order one and you are really bummed about it. I might have one. I don't order a ton extra. I just order a couple. So some of my customers like to buy them at my events, so I buy a couple extra. So I have a few extra, and if there's one from the past that you are saying, oh man, there was one a few months ago that I really liked and I didn't get it, go to my website, my blog, Beth's Paper Cuts, and click on that garage sale tab, and I might have one that you're looking for from the past. So check that out for sure. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. This is, again, the October Nests of Christmas paper pumpkin kit. And next month, I wonder if they show a preview of next month. No, they didn't. Next month is going to be, here's your step-by-step instructions. Next month's kit is actually not cards. It's treat holders, and they're shaped like little stockings. And so that's going to be fun for next month. And then after that, it'll be back to cards again. So check out next month. If you want to don't want to miss one, I'll have links on how to subscribe in my video description, and you can go ahead and do that. And again, if you're looking for a past kit that you wished that you had gotten and you didn't, go to my blog. You'll also find retired stamps and things there too. So if you're ever looking for anything, check out my blog under the garage sale tab and contact me if you want anything from there. Thank you so much. Bye.